This is not a drill. This is a real, authentic get on ready with me video / skincare. Alright, let me just go ahead and fix that right now. Right, so this is going to be you heard me. So I only have 2% left on my battery. I'm removing my earrings, and you see this, right, you guys? This is sweat. Okay, I mean, I look cute from my distance, but I'm sweating. I'm going to be removing my lashes. I did this makeup tutorial. Oh shit, it's stuck. I did this makeup tutorial for you guys this morning, so that video should already be up. I don't know what sequence these videos are going to follow. Then I'm going to remove my, ooh, it's stuck. It was stuck. Remove my weakness. So I'll be removing my makeup with these simple wipes. And Simple is sold anywhere out here in Jamaica, but it's distributed by T. Getty's Grant, which whenever we have promotions like T. Getty's Grant, I love the girls there. They're always so nice, chirpy. Oh gosh. So I'm just gonna go ahead, honey, and wipe this off, sweetie. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. One wipe. Oof, God, refreshing. Now I'm wearing a lot of product on my face, which you guys saw in the get ready with me from this tutorial. So one wipe usually takes care of everything for me. One wipe. One, and I still have a little space, little white areas. I'm gonna go under my eyes. So I'm now going to wash my face with my cinnamon soap from Nature's Pure. Let me show you guys what that looks like. So this is what the soap looks like by now, but it was bigger. And as you can tell, I already washed my face. So dry it off. So now my skin is nice and fresh, clean. Ooh, love that soap. Anyway, so what else? Oh, so I got a bunch of things from Banish, which Banish, shout out to you for sponsoring this video. Y'all the real LVP, y'all know, right? You know I love y'all. Alright, so I have their Banish activated charcoal face mask, and this is the new packaging, and it's a loose, let me see. There you go, it's loose, see? Loose. And it's from Banish. So everything I'm showing you is from Banish, right? There's their face mask. The newest thing I got from them, this is not in the new packaging, but this is the newest thing I got from them. It's just a vitamin C cream, like a moisturizer, and it's so cool. It looks brand new every time I open it up, because it's just sitting in my little bathroom thingy. Has a hint of yellow because it's bottom on side. I don't know, I guess. And this is my favorite thing from Banish, to be quite honest with you. This is their pumpkin enzyme mask. It feels tingly. You can actually feel it working. And I know this jar, first of all, Banish's jars, they're really tiny. I'm gonna be first to say, ooh, okay, sounds expensive, honey. So now their jars are hella tiny. Like, what is this? My hands are small and I'm fitting everything in my hands, but they last a really long time. So I got that, and I also got their pore smasher, and it looks just like this here on the carton, but what you do, you keep it refrigerated, and even after your Banish roll, which is what I'm going to, oh, should I bring it in now? So I'm going to do, you keep this refrigerated and you roll it on and it cools on your face. It's good if you wake up in the mornings and you're under iced coffee. It's good for getting your pores small. Like, that's the legit thing. The newest thing I also got was this, and it's their pen. Now I've never, it says sterilized Banisher with alcohol, rolled back, oh, 4 or 5 times. Use, oh, so what is this? Oh, guys, I'm just, how do I twist it? Oh, I twist it. I don't know how to pull it. I don't know how to, oh, okay. I don't know what, I think this is their pen. I've seen the pen before. There it is. This is their pen, which I can demo their pen at another time. You know, this thing isn't really, there we go. So this is their pen. So I've never used this before. So it says, gently pat on serum after use, place Banisher after use. Stamp the pen for instead of rolling. Okay. So it says stamp the pen instead of rolling. Oh, this sounds like when you have like spot areas where you don't have like a large area to cover. Which is what I got. I got a large area to cover. And this is the container that you keep it sanitized in. Pretty cool. This is the star of the show. Y'all be asking me like, Lurk, what you been doing to clear up your face and stuff. And in the Banish kit, as you know, they have their, well, you should know because you've been following me on my skincare. My skin has just, oh my god, this is so sexy. Look, I love the packaging, Banish. The packaging is everything. You see how sleek that looks? Yo, you guys, and then the container to sanitize the Banisher in, and the peel sort resistance. You know what that means, right? It's French. German. Italian? Peel sort resistance. I don't know. It's another language. Oh, okay. Let me just zip this open some more instead of prying the bag open. The roller. And I know how to use the roller, so I don't need to read anything. But oh, okay, all right. I can't remember the other one coming in a bag like this. But I'm telling you, man, with each time Banish sends me something, it's in like a new packaging or like they've done something new, which I completely admire that about Banish. They're like always one-upping themselves, which as a brand, that's the way to go, honey. Here we go. Here's the roller. Pookie lookie. Let me see if I can show you guys the little needles that are on it. So what I'm about to show you guys is derma rolling. Can you guys see those little things? Please tell me. You see them? Those are little needles. So I have the small, you have bigger needles, but I have the smallest ones. So let me see if I can tell you guys which kit I have. I'm going to list the kit that I have. Oh, you get a little card with it too. But I actually, oh gosh, look. When to use each product. Okay, 1 to 2 times per week for the charcoal mask. I've been overdoing it. Pumpkin enzyme mask, 1 to 3. Pore smasher, place on freeze. Oh, the pore smasher freezer. Banisher, 1 to 2 once every 2 weeks. Yes, Bam Bam? It closed. Alright, so I'm going to come open it. Alright, so I'm going to sanitize this and I'm going to come right back to y'all, honey. Yes, baby. Yes, yeah. You know, one thing you guys should always remember is to never do your Banisher. Never do like this step when you have open wounds on your face, and also when you have activated pimples. Meaning, if you roll it over, it's going to pop the pimple. Because when it pops that pimple, remember it's creating little holes in the skin. So if it pops that pimple, whatever residue that was in that pimple, you're going to redistribute it all over your face. Alright? So I'm going to, oh yes. Oh, by the way, it hurts. I just want y'all to know it right now, honey. It hurts. Okay, so hopefully I can zoom in with the editing and it's not too distorted. So I'm going to go up. And this thing, it's, oh gosh, like it does that, you know, like. So this is creating like, oh gosh, hold on, I still talk to you guys. Oh Lord Jesus. Daniel's God surely will deliver. I don't want y'all to think like it's not gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. It's needles. Not the tattoo art. It's needles. You know what? Needles are going into your skin. My nose. Ooh. Oh God. In my experience, the forehead hurts so much more. Jesus. Now I'm going to go across. Oh my gosh. I really hope I can zoom in without any distortion in editing. And I'm not pressing it down on my skin. I'm applying pressure, but not heavy pressure. It's light pressure, you know? Hey. Oh. So how are you guys doing? Hey yo. Hey ya. My. Oh God, my eye gonna start running water. Look, I'm accidentally flipping you guys off. Look at that. I'm accidentally flipping you guys off. So I'm going over this area because it doesn't hurt. So now I'm applying pressure right now, because it doesn't really hurt on these areas. And because I have most of my imperfections, you see, right there. Most of them is right there. And under here, can you see I have liquid discoloration? Blood cleanse. Oh, it went on my lip. It went on my lip. Now, girl. Girl. Now, the bigger the needles, the more likely it is for you to bleed. Because they're longer and they're going deeper. You know what I mean? So, yeah. I'm going to put a little spiel in the description about derma rolling and how amazing it is for your skin, especially if you have acne prone skin. Acne prone skin. Derma rolling has completely changed my life. It has completely changed how I do skincare, and I'm so glad they sent me like this new one, because my other one ran out, because you're supposed to use it 2 to 3 times. This is the oil, like the Banish oil I showed you guys before, and this is the vitamin C oil. It says freshly made in Pasadena, California, 15 ml. So I'm gonna get that one there, drip 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 drip, and I'm gonna get some more, drip drip drip. You don't have to be stingy with this oil because it lasts a very long time, and you're going to pat it into your skin. You're not going to rub it. So after you create the let's call them holes for now. So after you've created the holes in your skin, you're putting in the serum, the Banish oil in it, and it has vitamin C, and everybody knows that vitamin C clears up your skin. It helps with the discoloration. So you don't want to rub it because of the fresh holes that's now on your face. So you're patting it instead of rubbing it in to irritate it. Yeah. And I have a lot of oil on my hands, so that it's distributed evenly. And this is it. Ooh, girl. Okay, so your face, if it's the first time you're seeing me using it, your face is gonna be real itchy, like real itchy. So I highly recommend you freeze this bad boy, freeze it, and then or have it frozen before, and then when you're done, you can just roll over it after you've applied the Banish oil and stuff. Let your oil sit for a couple seconds or like a minute or so. Then you put this in the freezer and you rub it on your face to cool it down. Alright, but I ain't gonna lie to you, honey, my face feels itchy. Alright, again, I'll leave, that's what it looks like. Again, I will leave more info for you guys in the description, but just know that this has helped me with my acne, it has helped me with my skin, and 2 other things that helped me I did not mention in this video, but that soap that I've been using from Nature's Pure, the cinnamon soap, and also their turmeric mask from Nature's Pure. That thing just brought back the vibrancy in my skin. And I mean, I know it's a lot of stuff, you guys, but when you have problematic skin, you kind of have to feel a way around the products, know what works and know what doesn't work. Done. So that's it for this video, guys. Banish, y'all the real MVP. I've been saying this, honey. Bobo, I've been saying this, Bobo. You the real MVP. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and you guys, I hope you guys like this. If you want me to do, no, I already told you what to use. Those are the only other 2 things. Oh, and I used my tea mint oil. Oops, Jesus, I almost did that shit right. So I use my tea mint oil, and I'm not using this is what I use. So when before I go to the hill in the mornings, I do 1 or 2 of these masks. One of them or both of them. Yes, I'm extra. More than likely the pumpkin enzyme, because that's my favorite. Then I put this on, and I go to the hill. By the time I come back, I switch this off and stuff. And before I get my makeup on and stuff, I moisturize with my tea mint oil. This is the tea infused rose cinnamon oil. Cinnamon, see? Cinnamon helps to clear up the skin, and so does vitamin C. So this has been a long road for me, skin wise, skincare wise. So those of you who have been rocking with me from day 1, thank you. Hopefully I can be brave enough and post some before pictures of my face and what it looks like at its worst. But for now, let's see what this looks like in a month. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.